My name is Mike Krychek, and I think working with Fu was very easy and productive for us.
I'm Valerie Krychek. Working with Fu was amazing. I love his the ability to be very client focused, and he always had me in mind, so I loved it. I would rate him 10 plus. Very professional, always prepared, and he's very detail oriented, which is one of the reasons why I really like working with him.
And I would say a very high rating, very professional, very organized, and very flexible, which is really important for us.
Well, I would absolutely rate him, again, 10 and above, because we came from Florida, and his knowledge around the neighborhood and the schools was important, and the safety. Those are all important things and factors that I had no idea, and he educated us. In addition, when we started exploring homes outside of the urban area, he knew everything about all of the homes in the areas of interest. So very knowledgeable.
Fu's knowledge of the neighborhoods always fit very much in line with what we were looking for, and the overall process that we followed was always very clear and very straightforward. Fu's responsiveness was very quick, and again, it has to do with flexibility. A lot of times we gave Fu almost no notice that we wanted to go look at homes, and he was always very quick to respond and very quick to set all the showings up for us.
I would say, and again, I'm ranking 1 to 10, 10 plus, again, because in this last home, this last situation, we were notified that we needed to start looking, and he found us a house in 5 days. I mean, immediate response, and that's just over the last 2-3 years in meeting our needs and being very responsive. 10 plus. Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely.
I would just say, his responsiveness to address our concerns, and the fact that we were in a 911 situation on finding our next home ASAP. But more importantly, again, he's very client focused. He didn't only just bring us homes that were just because, that's what we needed, but he kept our needs in mind and our interests in mind, and what we're looking for in mind that's important to myself and Mike and my kids, So amazing experience over this last transaction, and I look forward to buying our retirement home with him. I'm going to continue to work with Fu for a long time.
Yeah, Fu is a very good listener, and he always, very careful about listening to our needs and making sure that we were looking at homes that fit our needs and all of that. So I think, and again, the flexibility for me is the most important thing. We wouldn't give him a whole lot of time. Sometimes we had to move fairly quickly because of our busy schedules, and Fu was always able to accommodate us.
And I just want to add one last thing. I think at the end of the day, I think trust was a huge factor for me, because we owned quite a few homes. And I just continuously want to go work with somebody I trust and that I can rely on, and that is Fu all the way. So I look forward to continuing to work with them in the future. So, yeah.